This is one of the coolest things I've seen. So this is a Grabie watercolor handheld palette. So you can put it around your finger. The actual watercolors look like these paint swatches, but they're actually the watercolor paint here. And so you can fan them out. It's beyond what I would even think. And so here are the colors that list them by number if you want to keep track of it that way. We're going to do a swatch in a second, but they just fan like this. It also comes with a brush that you can fill with water. And then this front section opens up so you have 3 different places to mix paint. And then this sponge, and the sponge I'm going to use to like dry the brush in between or wipe it off. This is the brush that you fill with water, and it fits right in between everything. So it's really compact. Like, this is a great thing to take to the coffee shop or wherever you're going to take it. Very compact, love it. Very, very nice. So here's the color swatch. Let's see what the colors are like and what the paint's like. So what I like to do when I swatch any watercolor is I like to do it a little heavier on the left side, lighter on the right side, so that I really have a nice idea of what the color will look like if I don't really saturate it as much. So I used this brush for a little while, and then I switched to my favorite brushes, which actually are Grabie brushes as well. There's a round, a quill, and a miniature brush. This is the round, and then the red one is the quill, and the miniature is the wooden one, and it has flat sides. So you can set the miniature one down, and it will not roll, which I do like, and they're really detailed. So going back to the swatching, the paint is nice. The watercolors are nice. You only have to use a very little bit for it to go a really long way. Now, some people will say too many colors. I don't think there is such a thing. I love color. I like not having to spend my time mixing to get a color, that someone else has done that for me. And then it opens to even more colors from that color, or mixing those colors, because colors are limitless. So I can take the Grabie 12 count and I can do as much with that as with this. With this, there's less work. There's less for me to do because the color's already done. Now these top ones are metallic. They're beautiful, they're shimmery. And what I really love about these metallic is you can use them, and the purple one is called Witch, by the way. The color names are really great. But sometimes with metallic or shimmery colors, they almost can be iridescent where you don't really see a color with it. And on these do. You see the color and you see the shimmer. This is just a very cool, unique way to travel with paints and be able to mix them, etc., all in one place. So here are all the colors. Grabie has so many products that I love. So if you click on the link either in my profile bio or in this video, click on it and go to the tab that says Grabie and shop all of these amazing items. You will not be disappointed. I'm not.